welcome to Blackdog Performance Cars. Today we are talking about a beautiful 1967 Pontiac GTO, one of my favorite cars of all time. This particular one is finished in Signet Gold. It has black vinyl interior and a black vinyl top. This GTO was restored in 2003-2004, but looking at it you wouldn't be able to tell. The paint, the body, the interior all look fantastic. It was really taken care of. Very low miles on the restoration total. It's a beautiful car. Powering this GTO is a 400 cubic inch V8 engine that's backed by a automatic transmission, but it does feature the very, very popular his and hers Hurst shifter. On the 66 and the 67 GTO, there are two differences that you may or may not notice. Other than that, it's pretty much the same car. So one of the big differences is this grille. So you notice right around the GTO lettering, that is a metal mesh type grille. And then this piece here that runs along the front valance there, that's one piece. Now on the 66, the metal mesh was actually plastic, and this was divided into two pieces that stopped here and here, so there was no trim there. Jumping to the rear of the vehicle, the second noticeable difference on the 66 versus 67 is the 66 taillights actually have louvers that go over the lenses. On the 67, the louvers are not there. And personally, I like the louverless look. This particular GTO features red line bias ply tires. Very similar to what would have came on the car from new. I think they just match the car real well with the PMD emblem being red and then the red GTO 6.5 liter emblem. I think it really ties the whole look together. Working back, we will see the black vinyl top that's laid very well. There's no rust bubbles that tend to build up over a long restoration or a long period of restoration. It just looks really, really good, really professionally done. The best part about that black vinyl top is it blends the Signet Gold to the black vinyl interior. Another thing that helps is that black pinstripe that runs the length of the car. All of the bright work, including the emblems, are in very good condition. They shine up very well. They don't have any pitting or anything like that. My favorite decal on the car is probably this Hurst equipped emblem there. Just basically letting all of the people know that it does have the Hurst his and hers shifter in the interior. All right, enough talking about this thing. Let's fire it up. This GTO is equipped with an electric choke, which helps for easy starts. As you can see, the engine fires up and maintains idle right away. All right, let's take this thing outside for a drive. As we pull back in the parking lot, what I hope you notice about our silent drive is that the engine ran very smooth. The brakes felt great. There's no pulling left or right. The transmission shifted great. The car drives true. It drives straight. It doesn't pull left or right either. It's just a very good running car. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video and the drive of the GTO. Again, this is one of my all-time favorite cars. If you have any questions about the car, or of course if you want to purchase it, give us a call at 224-352-2535 or shoot us an email at carsales@blackdogspeedshop.com.